What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. So you guys know that I got a brand new Famag stand mixer. It's a big, huge spiral mixer. And one of the things that mixer loves is some 00 flour. And unfortunately, at my local store, I can only get these little bags.
What's that?
2.2 pounds.
That make what, one cupcake?
Yeah, and this mixer wants way more than this. So I headed over to my local restaurant depot to get some flour for that. And I got a few other things since New Year's that I wanted to show you. So join me. Let's take a look at my little finds. And it's Wednesday, so let's do this. I think I still got this allergy thing going on. So Santa Eric was nice enough to get me this big, huge spiral stand mixer for Christmas. And one of the things I want to use it for is to make Neapolitan style pizza, which tends to be thinner, has a lot of big air pockets in the dough. You cook it really hot. We're going to cook it out on the barbecue. And I really needed to get some 00 flour to make that. So this 00 flour is made in Italy. And the way they designate their flour is a little different than how we do. This flour is a relatively decent protein level flour, so it will make for that little like bread flour kind of chewy crust. But the 00 indicates the grind on this flour. So this flour is grind extra fine. So it's very, very, very powdery compared to regular flours that we use here in the US. And this is perfect for making pizza dough. So Eric is going to get into pizza dough making this year for 2021. Yes. His mission is to make the perfect Neapolitan style pizza, or at least as close as he can on a regular barbecue. Because we don't have one of those like 700, 800, 900 degree ovens to cook it in. So we have to use what we have. So we're going to try to do that on our barbecue outside. So that is Eric's mission, right? Knowing that these little bags that are available in my local store will not go very far for us.
And they ain't cheap either.
No, it's not cheap. I think I paid like $15 for these 3 little bags. So we headed over to our local restaurant depot where they have the real flour, right? So we got a couple of bags of flour that we can use for our pizza making. The very first one we got is a big, huge bag of Semolina. This is a coarse ground flour. It's great for using at the base on your pizza stone or whatever to keep that crustiness on the dough. It moves around really well on this type of flour because it's coarse ground. So we got this big, huge bag. This is a 50-pound bag, and I think this was like about $20.
Yeah, like $20, $21.
Yeah, $20. Versus I paid that almost for these. Oh!
Honey! You want me to put this into your flour container from the dollar store?
We also got a bag of this Supremo Italiano 00 pizza flour. This is a 55-pound sack. I think this was about 20, right?
No, it was actually like, well, yeah, one was 18, the other was like 21.
Yeah, so this is going to be a lot better than those 2 little bags. So you ask, where do we put this flour? We have a freezer downstairs that I keep my flours in. I have all kinds of different flours in there, high gluten, cake, pastry, AP, bread. Now I have Semolina and 00. So we got some stuff now that we can really put that.
You know what else they got, Boo, at Home Depot? Restaurant Depot? 50-pound sack of yellow cake mix. Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
You get 50 pounds of buttercream, 50 pounds of cake mix, and we can go to town.
I don't know what I would do with that. I'm glad you didn't get that.
Happy birthday every day.
Yay, I guess. So yeah, so now we officially have the flours we need for the new spiral mixer. One other thing I got at Restaurant Depot was a big, huge pack of active dry yeast. This is a 2-pounder.
We haven't seen this
No.
stuff.
I've seen them like where you get 2 1-pounds or something like that, but I've never actually seen a 2-pound.
Even Sam's Club only has 1 pound.
Yeah. I usually use SAF, generally speaking, but sometimes I like to use active dry, maybe when I want to slow the rise down. So sometimes I want to throw it in the refrigerator for 1-2 days, something like that. I want to slow the rise down, I'll use active dry. So I usually have a mix of both the instant, the SAF, and the active dry. And so I was really happy to get this. I never seen it in this package before. Obviously, it's packaged for commercial, but when I saw that, I was like, Eric was like, they got 2-pounders. So I was like, get it, right?
Just throw it in the freezer.
Yeah, so we're going to throw this in the freezer. So I did get a few things since before New Year's. We haven't had any fun on What's Up Wednesday unboxing stuff since before New Year's, right? And I remember I told you guys I was going to get a second one of these Nakuri knives from Titan Forge. And I went on Amazon the other day, and I think these are like $30, but they were like half off. I think I paid $14.99 for it.
Dang.
So I ordered another one. And I'm telling you, I've been turning to this knife so much. Yeah. I really don't like these packages.
Frustration free, or whatever they call them.
But every time I've been turning to this knife, I even put this on my gadget of the year. It's totally a beater knife. It's the Titan Forge Nakuri knife. And so now I have a second one of these. And it's actually really comfortable in my hand. Knives are one of these things that's very individual. And for some reason, I love this knife. So I got another one, and it was a pretty good price. What else did I get? So I remember...
First of all, do we know what any of these packages are?
Some of it, yeah.
Some?
So before New Year's, I said I was on a mission to replace a bunch of my spatulas. And so...
You want to just use the scissors?
Open, tear at the perforation. What the heck is this?
Tear.
Okay. So that's what I did. I ordered these silicone rice paddles. One of those spatulas I really like. It's not really, it's like a spoon spatula.
I thought you were going to get these wok-looking spatulas.
Well, I got those too. But I got these were pretty cheap. I love using rice paddles. And these are made of silicone. So you get 4 of them.
So what do you use them for?
Well, rice for one thing. The little rice paddles. But you can use them in a frying pan. These are cool. I like them. Pink, blue. This one's got a little extra piece on it. Yellow. This one's got a different bag. And green. Sweet. I don't know the name of this, whatever that is. That's what these are. So these are rice paddles. Okay. Let's see what we got in here. Sometimes I don't like cutting these things, so I don't want to cut what's in it.
So is it Stump the Boo?
Huh?
Stump the Boo?
Oh, okay.
Oh, those are your wok spatulas.
No, these are something different. These are those spoonulas. I got 2 of them before, but I got 2 more of them. They're from Star Pack.
Those are good for going up the side of a pot.
Yeah, I like these.
You can scrape things good.
One set of spatulas I got, I don't like too much, but I like these, so I ordered 2 more of those.
Yeah.
Yay! Having to replace my spatulas, I've been getting everything but spatulas. Here's the wok spatulas.
Okay.
So I have 1 set of these already. I really like them. And I wanted some more. So these are from Bundle Pro. And I put these on my Gadget of the Year list.
So they gave, so you get a pair each?
Yeah.
Okay.
I really like these. I've been using these all the time, so I bought 2. 2 sets of 2. I like these. Yay! So now I just gotta wait to see if they come out with slotted versions.
Yeah.
And finally...
Now, is this the mystery box? Or do you have an idea what this one is?
I think I know what it is. If it is what I think it is. Yeah.
What?
It's a little strainer.
So it's a strainer spoon?
Yeah. I have some white ones over there from Williams-Sonoma.
Beat up?
No, but they're, I don't know, the white I think is kind of discoloring. So I got, ooh, nice.
Ooh, what?
This is kind of
Okay, shiny handle?
heavy at the bottom.
Oh.
So this is like a skimmer made of silicone.
Wow.
This is from Love. L-O-V-O-E. Sweet. I like this. I'm liking it. So, cooks, now that we're in 2021, it's time to get on track with our cooking goals. One of my big cooking goals is to learn to use that spiral mixer and really start taking my bread cooking to another level, my baking. So we are headed in that direction. So have you started with working on your cooking goals for this year?
How many people got new KitchenAids for Christmas? And
Yeah, new KitchenAids for Christmas. It's time to put them to use, right? So we need to pledge together, both of us. I'm going to make the pledge, and I want you guys to make the pledge. We are going to stay on track towards our cooking goals this year, and we're going to get it done by the end of the year, whatever that cooking goal is. So I want you to keep me on track with this bread making, and whatever your goal was, put that down in the comments, and I will try to keep you on track on yours. So cooks, what's up? It's Wednesday. I hope you have a fantastic day. We are in the dog days of winter and the dog days of the lockdown, right? I understand that, but let's try to make use of this time and do a little learning, right? Do a little cooking learning. Sure. Right, Boo? And Eric's goal is to make pizza, right, Boo?
You gotta make the dough first.
Okay, I will do that.
I can start the bonfire.
So I hope you have a great week. We got our chicken and dumplings coming up next, so stay tuned for that. And onward and upward. It's 2021. And boo, it's time to get it together, right?
Hey, we're a week into the new year, right?
We're a week into the new year. So I hope you have a great week. If you like this video, please subscribe below. And don't forget to hit that notification so you'll get the bell so you'll get notified of our uploads Also, leave me a comment and a like, and go out and visit my website, amylearnstocook.com. You can print all my recipes out there. All kinds of fun on that website. You can also catch me in my Facebook group. Come on in and join us. We talk about cooking and gadgets and all that kind of stuff all day long, every day. That's facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. You can also catch me on Twitter and Pinterest at Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cookin' with Amy. Go Wednesday. Go 2021 goals. I hope you have a great day.
I need any flour.
Is this enough?